In a small town where everyone knew each other, lived three brothers, Ethan, Jake, and Noah. They couldn't be more different. Ethan was the thinker, Jake was the fighter, and Noah was the dreamer. They argued constantly, over everything from chores to who was right. One summer, a fierce storm descended upon their town. The winds howled, trees cracked, and their old family house began to tremble. Suddenly, the power went out, and a chilling fear filled the darkness. In that moment, the brothers knew this wasn't the time to fight. Ethan quickly devised a plan. Jake used his strength to secure the doors and windows, and Noah kept everyone calm with candles and stories. Together, they protected their home and family. When morning came, their house was damaged but safe. Looking at each other, they finally understood. Alone, they were strong. But together, they were unstoppable. Brotherhood isn't about being perfect, it's about standing together when it matters most. If this story touched your heart, please like, subscribe, and share for more.